Hey guys, my name is Alan and welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time since I've done a video. By the way, please wag niyong pansinin yung asong whatever or outside noise. It's currently 12 or almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So maraming background noise, outside noise kumbaga. But today we are going to be unboxing a keyboard called HyperX Alloy FPS Pro. So ito yung keyboard na ginagamit ng mga professional player before sa Counter-Strike, lalo na pag sponsored by HyperX. Anyway, tatanggalin ko muna sa packaging yung bubble wrap kasi nga, diba? I don't know if I still need to do a review. There's a lot of reviews about this product already, and I think you guys probably know this product more than me. Hindi, pero we're gonna be doing a mic test sa mic, kumbaga. So this is, I think this one is the Cherry MX Blues switch. So that means ito yung clicky-clack na tinatawag nila sa keyboard, which is basically maingay. Alright? Napakaingay. Actually, I don't know specifically in this keyboard kasi meron pa ibang variants yung mga keys na yun eh. But, ito nga. So, this is the keyboard right here. As you can see. I don't know if this is the first unboxing video na makikita nyo kasi yung unang unboxing video ko is about sa PC parts, but I've got some of my footage deleted from the PC kasi nga nag-lock yung hard drive, but I know you guys don't mind that. HyperX. So yun nga, no? So nakasulat dito sa box natin, no? Solid steel frame, portable design, kasi 10 kilos version to, kaya nga FPS Pro. Kasi alam niyo naman sa mga LAN tournaments, they usually don't have big desk area like, you know, pag nasa office ka or something. It has backlit keys, though it is only red for this particular one. It's not RGB. Tapos meron siyang anti-ghosting and end key rollover, which means kahit ilang keys yung pindutin mo, it'll all register in the proper time na pinindot mo siya kung ano yung unang talaga nauna doon. So, yun lang nakasulat. Cherry MX Blues, hindi niya sinasabi, but we're gonna check in a bit. Ayan, Cherry MX Blues pala. Nakasulat naman pala sa box. But yeah, unbox. And you know, hindi naman ako the best sa larangan na to, but of course we wanna... Ooh, this is nice. Let's get some B-roll. Mamaya na lang pala yung B-roll natin. Alright, so it comes like this, basically like this, like that. And you know, tatanggalin lang natin to sa kanyang seal. Hindi naman seal ba? This is actually reusable. Plastic na to. Oh, alright. So this is a keyboard. And then what? We have our quick start guide sa mga tutorial niya. And then kung paano mo adjust yung lighting, how do you adjust the certain keys settings without using any software. I'm not sure if there's a software for this one, but of course it also comes with a braided cable right here. So again, matching sila, no? Red stuff. Though I'm not going for red and black, but this keyboard is actually nice for the price. Kaso yun nga, hindi siya RGB, it's only red. And of course, wala akong masasuggest na pricing ngayon sa keyboard. I think Pros are really good if you want the same day delivery. But gusto ko lang yung, kumbaga, alam mo na kasi HyperX eh. When it comes to headphones and keyboard, HyperX is one of the good brands. Pero yun nga, very long braided cable. I don't know how long this is, but it's almost the same length pag nag-stretch ako na out ng ganun. So yun nga, of course this plugs into your computer, and then the USB type A, I think this is what it's called, plugs in your keyboard. So bago natin plug yung keyboard, no, I'm gonna just do a quick B-roll muna. So yeah, no, medyo naka-weird na yung ang camera angle natin, so you guys can at least see the keyboard right here. Parang normal vlog type lang naman tayo dito. So it comes like this. Hopefully nakikita nyo maayos, no? Yan, so HyperX is spacebar. Then the arrow keys, of course, is 10 kilos, so it's basically small, but this is how it sounds. I will do a typing test saglit. This is basically a typing test. I have my mic very close to the keyboard. By the way, thank you to Chaz for helping me with this keyboard once again. HyperX Alloy FPS Pro is now setting up in our computer. Alright, so I plugged it in. So front port muna, mamaya na change. So I'm really sorry for the camera, but if you guys want to see the colors real quick, I don't know if that helped. But this is how it looks. It is wait. So this is how the color looks in the dark. So I'm using my phone for the light, so I'm really sorry if it's not really showing much of the color. But this is how it will look. You have it, set in your PC. It doesn't really have much settings other than, of course, you can hit the FN key in your keyboard and then press on the buttons, the arrow keys. I don't know if you can still see me. I know it's pretty dark, but FN plus an arrow key does something. As you can see, it has like a brightness here. I will turn on the light, pero naka-dark mode muna tayo, no? So arrow key, so FN plus tong sa baba will dim the lights, and up will of course brighten it up. To the left should be a different settings. This one is called breathe. The next one is called, the next one is the one where you type in. So whenever you click a button, it colors on the keyboard. And then the next one would be ripple. Yep, so wherever you press, there's gonna be a color somewhere, as you can see. And then basically, of course, you have your FN keys. You know what? On ko muna ulit yung lighting. Oh, this one, there's another key, which was, I don't know what you call these, but looks cool. For the next one, it has the top 4 keys highlighted. 1, 2, 3, 4 WASD, control and space. That's basically the FPS mode, I guess. And then what more? I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's just go back to the default lighting. But again, guys, this is a blue switch. So this is the keycap. This is the arrow key keycap. And then I'll just zoom in on the screen right now how the blue switch looks. It is actually it's not the super clicky blues. And like other keyboards that you see, this one is actually pretty good. It's not too loud. I was expecting something louder. But I guess that's it. I'm sorry, I don't know how to do unboxing videos. I know I don't look as good. I need some more sleep. Pero yun nga, this keyboard came today, and this is gonna be another fantastic day of me doing my gaming sessions. So this is my old keyboard, by the way. Para sa lahat ng nagtatanong kung mechanical keyboard ba yung ginagamit ko sa stream, it's not. It's a normal office keyboard na nasa akin na before I even have my computer. This one is called the Deluxe Office Keyboard, but this is a membrane keyboard. And as you can see, wala na nga yung ibang buttons na lagi kong ginagamit, which is the WAS or WSD and C. They're too scratched, and then it's actually quite silent. But compared to a mechanical keyboard, you can actually hear when it actuates. Actuates basically means na-activate, kumbaga, yung key press mo. Precise. Alright, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I would probably end the video here. I have some more stuff to do for today. Pero yun nga, I just want to do a quick unboxing of the HyperX Alloy FPS Pro keyboard, which is used by most gamers noon, before the RGB stuff came out. And this is still one of the best priced keyboard. I would link one from Lazada, but you can probably find one from your local store or something na mas okay yung price dahil overpriced lahat ngayon. Hopefully you did enjoy this video, and if you did and you found this one interesting, find this one interesting, I guess hit that like button, subscribe, make sure to share it with your friends. They might like the video. No more. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I do upload a new video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.